Ay, ano ba naman? Sige. Stop!
Right.
Ayusin mo yung pagbanggit mo at yung grammar,
O, parang inayos mo yung sa kanya.
Kaya nga eh. Baka maayos ba mukha ko dyan?
Hindi.
Putik na yan.
Oh. Wait, man. Ay, left. Oh, left. Meron ba?
Wala.
Okay, sige.
Right. Okay. For Karen.
Sea of Strange Camel.
Sea of Strangers.
By
Ay, maganda
Lali.
yan.
By Langly.
Ay, hindi. Akala ko meron kasi. Okay, sorry. Daming sinasabi.
Ulit. For Karen. Sea of Strangers by Langly. Wishing well. Into a well, a girl threw... True? Ano ba yan? Oh, bakit ikaw?
sige,
Nakailang
sige.
ulit ka. Oh. Ano? Sea of Strangers by Langly. Wishing well. Into a well, a girl threw a penny. What do you wish for? Asked the well.
Boyfriend.
I wish for a penny,
Oh.
said the girl.
Alam ko na yun.
The
Oh,
end.
sige. Ha?
Yun lang! Ikaw kasi, alam mo bagay na bagay sa'yo. Bakit? You wish for a penny. Wow, kasing pera.
Ano yung palalaguin ko ba o ano?
Wala nakalagay doon. Basta sabi, bini-wish mo magkaroon ka ng pera. Yun lang.